Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DaVinci Resolve for multicam editing with proxies, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Import your video clips into the media pool. Navigate to the project settings by clicking on the gear icon in the lower right corner. In the project settings menu, go to the Master Settings tab. Scroll down to the Optimized Media and Render Cached section. Set the optimized media format to a suitable proxy format, such as ProRes or DNxHR. Adjust the optimized media resolution to a lower resolution that suits your editing workflow. Click Save to exit the project settings. Select the clips you want to use for multicam editing in the media pool. Right-click on the selected clips and choose Create Multicam Clip. In the Multicam Clip dialog, select Use Timecode or Use Audio based on your synchronization preference. Click Create to generate the multicam clip. Locate your new multicam clip in the media pool. Drag the multicam clip into the timeline to start editing. In the timeline, enable the multicam viewer by clicking on the multicam button in the upper right. Play through the clip and switch between different angles using the keyboard number keys. Continue editing your project by cutting and arranging the footage as needed. When you are ready to render, go back to the project settings. Under Timeline Format, ensure your settings align with your final output preferences. Finally, export your project by navigating to the Deliver page and configuring your export settings. Click Add to Render Queue and then Start Render to complete your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.